Good morning, everyone. Past perfect continuous tense. This is very fantastic topics to all the students and very important. So, in this video, I'll cover your past perfect continuous tense. So, I hope all of you are very fine today. And after watching, you must make a note copy so that we can understand very good. So, without wasting time, let's start it from the very beginning. Here is a answer. Welcome students. So let's see past perfect continuous tense. So my dear friends, the past perfect continuous tense, perfect is missing here. You must write the perfect while writing so that it can be right. So let's see. The past perfect continuous tense is also called perfect progressive tense, and it shows that an action that started in past continued up until another time in the past. For example, he had been playing the match. He had been playing the match. And the second one is there is one helping verb in this tense. For example, had been plus be plus b1 plus ing. B1 plus ing means present participle. And this helping verb is used with all persons whether they are singular or plural. For example, they had been playing since morning. Ram had been dancing since morning. Let's see into the next page. Welcome students once again. As we know that there are 6 sentences in a tense. So first structure that is given here, you must go through this one so that you can understand it very good. So first one is your subject plus had been plus b1 plus ing, that means present participle, and it takes object. So first one is your affirmative sentence, second one is your negative, third one is your questions, fourth one is your questions negative, and five one is your WH questions, and sixth one is your WH questions negative. So that's very important. You must go through this one so that you can understand it very good. Your first is your Ram had been playing since morning. Ram had not been playing since morning. Had Ram been playing since morning? Had Ram not been playing since morning? So my dear friends, you must read this one so that you can understand it very good. Let's move on. Welcome guys. So in this paragraph, we will know the use of since and for, and it's very important. My dear friends, since it shows the point of time. For example, they had been writing since morning. You may create many sentences by using of this since. For example, they had been writing since morning. They had been writing since yesterday, since night, since childhood, since Sunday, since ancient time. So it's very important to all the students. So you must read this one and you must write it on your note copy so that you can understand it very good. So example is one another here. She had been learning since ancient time. So it's very useful for all the students while speaking and writing. So let's move on. Welcome students once again. Now we will know the use of for, and it's also very useful for us. For it shows the period of time. For example, he had been walking for 2 hours. You may create by using of these words. For example, he had been walking for 2 hours, for 2 months, for 6 years, for 5 years, for 5 days, for 2 minutes, for many days. So my dear friends, you may create a lots of sentences by using of this structure. For example is here, I had been teaching here for many days. So it's very important for you So you must write this one on your note copy so that you can use it very good, and it's show your period of time. So let's move on. Welcome back, children. So this is your last page of this topics, and here is a questions for you, and this is your turn to give the answer. So first questions is your questions is here. Find out the error and make the correct sentence. So your first questions is here. They had been cycle all day, so their leg were sore in the evening. So my dear friends, find out the year. So as you are looking here, cycle, that is your present form. So it will not take your present form because it will take your present participle, because this is your past perfect continuous tense, and past perfect continuous tense, it always take your present participle. It does not take your present form. So what will be your correct will be your present participle. So in this way you can solve the second questions, third questions, fourth question and fifth questions. So hope all of you are very fine today, and let's see the next video.